We're Crave Interactive.
What we do is we help hotels provide great service to their guests with in-room tablets.
We manufacture and design the tablets specifically for hotels, and we've developed a fantastic cloud-based platform for delivering these services. Our software is intuitive, fast, and slick. We really pride ourselves that there is no help button or instructions required. Crave tablets will replace all the directories, menus, and marketing materials that clutter hotel rooms and need replacing so often. At the heart of Crave is our ordering engine, with over 2 million orders and service requests successfully completed to date. Guests can order room service directly from the tablets. Their orders are then delivered directly to the kitchen. With upselling suggestions, promotional messages, and dynamic pricing, you can expect increases of up to 40% in room service revenues. Great images and descriptions help promote spa treatments, with guests able to request them directly from the tablet. Unsold slots can be filled with promotional messages to attract late impulse bookings, increasing spa revenues. Housekeeping requests are popular, and extra revenues can be generated from promoting late checkouts. All the content can be multilingual, enhancing the service levels for international guests and maximizing the sales opportunities to them. Crave tablets can be used at the check-in desk to sell room upgrades and to help orientate guests with a range of services provided. They even provide a great TV control experience. Content can be updated by approved staff instantly and easily. Installation and maintenance is simple, and staff need no specialist skills. Our solutions are incredibly flexible, and our clients range from Iceland down to Tasmania, and from small boutique hotels to the world's largest installation at Aria Resort and Casino in Las Vegas, with over 4,000 rooms.
Crave has been nothing but one of the greatest partners we've ever had. We immediately knew right away that we had found something spectacular. You can kind of tell when you run across a difference maker.
Yes, I would recommend Crave to other hotels. It's a fantastic facility, the guests really enjoy it, and working with the team makes it very, very easy for us to get all the support that we need to deliver a great guest experience.
We've really enjoyed the whole journey with Crave. It's a very happy relationship. People have seen this technology, have heard that we have it, and they want to know would we recommend it, and without question we would recommend it.
Crave is highly customizable for each hotel, both in terms of look and feel and services offered to guests. The possibilities are endless, with a huge range of features to choose from. The financial benefits of Crave far outweigh the costs. With savings on printed materials, higher sales, and operational efficiencies, hotels that use Crave are budgeting for higher profits, not costs. But most importantly of all, guests really appreciate Crave tablets. 95% of guests use them, on average 50 page views per room night, and with 15% placing orders and making service requests via them. TripAdvisor comments our clients receive are fantastic, 93% of them positive. Crave was awarded the 2018 Top Guest Room Tablet Vendor by Hotel Tech Report, and last year was presented with the Champion Award for in-room tablet vendors by Infotech Research Group. From limited service hotels to high-end luxury, the digital guest revolution is gaining momentum. Don't let your hotel get left behind. Contact Crave and find out more.